All right, so we got the front nice and tight. Shit ain't going anywhere. And you don't really want to do anywhere on the bike that's going to be compressing your suspension, because you don't want to blow out your fork seals or anything like that. So we got it on the forks, which is just pulling down at this point. And then on the back, we're just going on the swing arm. So you can see the back of the swing arm, we're gonna strap down from that point. All right, then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then check all four points and call it good. You know you got it tight when the bike is literally moving the trailer, and it's straight up and down, just not on a kickstand. When you can do this, and it's moving the whole trailer, you know that's on there good. You know that's tight. Make sure you grab all of your slack from your straps, bundle those up, because the last thing you want is for one of these to come loose and get sucked into the damn tire. God forbid, lock up a tire or tear bike off, because the torque from getting caught up in the wheel, it would just be a disaster. So make sure you take care of the slack for your straps. All right, so there is one more step that I almost forgot to mention, and that is if you're going long distance and your bike's gonna be on the trailer for quite some time, you know, hours, days, whatever, you're gonna wanna put this in tow mode to where it's not thinking the bike's being stolen and the silent alarm's going off and the lights come on and off and completely destroy and drain your battery. And to do that, you're gonna pull your side cover, you're gonna turn your bike on, and then back off, and within 3 seconds, pull your 50 amp fuse. And that's gonna put it in tow mode. And then when you get to your destination, pop your 50 amp fuse back in, you're good to go. But definitely make sure you do that, like I said, if you're gonna be on the road for quite some time, because the last thing you wanna do is trailer your bike to where you're going, and you get there and your battery's dead and completely drained because the silent alarm's been going off for the last hundreds and hundreds or thousands of miles. So make sure you put it in tow mode.